Hi everyone. Today we are going to make easy, tasty and healthy chicken curry recipe. For this recipe you really don't need for any earlier preparations. It can be done very quickly. So let's begin. Heat a kadai and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is heat, add the whole garam masala into it. Then add diced onions and then fry them until they are translucent. Then add some peeled garlic, green chilies and chopped ginger and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are done, switch off the flame and let them cool. After they completely cool down, add them into a blender. To this, add 1 cup of fresh mint leaves and 1 cup of coriander leaves and make it into a fine paste. Now add 1 more teaspoon of oil into the same pan, then add the mixture into the pan and fry it. Once the mixture is fried well, then add turmeric and fry it for another 5 minutes. Once the mixture is fried well, then add 1 kg of chicken and mix well until the chicken is coated well with the mixture and add salt to it. Then close the lid and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken is cooked well. And then to this, I'm adding 1 big diced tomato, red chili powder and some coriander powder to it and cover the lid and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix the tomatoes well and add quarter cup of beaten yogurt and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix well and let it cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. That's all. Yummy chicken curry is ready. Just garnish with coriander and powdered garam masala.